Okay guys, today we got a really nice cab high fiberglass Lear. It's 100XR series. Fits the 17 to current model Ford Super Duty with the 6'9" bed, or the 6.5 foot short bed. Burgundy in color. It's in really good shape. It doesn't have a lot of damage to it at all. It's dark burgundy, the top edge, and the top looks in really good shape all the way down the sides here. This side looks really good. You get down to the bottom down here, there's a little bit of a crack in the fiberglass and a couple scuff marks right there. But other than that, the bottom edge looks pretty good, just minor spots. There's one right there. It's a little bit of a scuff mark, something's rubbed up against it, but probably with a buffer that would come out. Does have the tip out frameless side windows on the side. Has a sliding window in the front. Couple touch up spots right there that have been touched up probably by the previous owner. Front looks really nice, in really good shape. Because it does have a sliding window in it, so it slides open so that you can access the cap from inside the cab and closes back up. The side and the top looks really nice. There is a scuff mark on the top. I'm not sure if it'll show up or not. It's right in the center, probably hit the garage door or something going in. I think it looks really good through here. A little bit of a, on the edge there, a little bit chipped up. A couple spots where the edges. Looks like it was set on the ground. That tends to happen. One spot right there, a couple of them. A couple paint chips. A little bit of spot there. Really not all too awful bad. Does have the frameless side windows on this side as well. The rear door is a frameless single T-handle locking rear door with the door skirt on it. Inside is carpeted. Screens are in really good shape. Not seeing any holes in the screens. Sliding window. This side the screens are no holes in the screens here either. Very good shape. Looks like here it is. Lear. It's the 100XL. It's the 6'9" Ford Super Duty 17 to 21 right now with current model truck. Dome light. So there it is, cab high fiberglass Lear 100XL. It's the 2017 to current model Ford Super Duty short beds, burgundy in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online. That can all be done there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cab repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, things like that, those are all it can be purchased online as well. As with all our tops, they're local pickup only. Do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick them up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.